Hello. Hello, people. Oh. All right. Well, we have the mic very close to my mouth, so.
Can you turn the sound off? You're watching yourself. That one.
Oh yeah. Sorry, Jodie.
Love you.
We'll have to work out how to sort that. Actually, I'll probably just.
I can't hear you.
All right. Me and Jodie talking now. Hello there. Why does it say live soon? There you go. Happy. Right. Happy Sunday, guys. So, just so you can see. I now have. I put up my fourth monitor above that. This one currently is showing. Oh, it's not showing Gilmore Girls. Do you want me to put the next episode on, Jodie?
Was that it? Hang on.
What? It's finished. Yeah.
Why is it finished?
I don't know. Oh, hang on.
Else?
It's on the other monitor. So I'm sharing this monitor on the right with Jodie now. So yeah, I thought that. Whoa! It's bigger than a cat. There's a cat. There's a cat. So yeah, so I've got three monitors now.
Why has it gone away?
Why has what gone away?
What?
Jodie, what is the problem here?
There's only 4 episodes.
Really? That doesn't sound right.
They were like an hour long, but.
I need the mouse back. And Teasel, can I have the mouse back? Get off.
You need to put something on for me to watch.
I need you to make a decision about what you're going to do and then tell me what that decision is. Oh, gosh. Okay, so I can't use the cursor. Go on. Have you put something on? Just you've got 20 seconds, Jodie.
You should sing while I try and find
No. Right. This desk is so creepy. Which desk? The webcam is much higher in position. Yeah, it is, because it's on top of the fourth monitor. So it is high. It's more flattering that way.
Where?
When the camera's higher up. Everyone knows. All the girls know that.
No.
I'll do a V-neck t-shirt, Jodie. Just watch out.
For what? That it doesn't poke me in the eye?
Alright, anyway. Where I was reading the Nightbot docs and found out there's a poll command to create a straw pot. Ah. Yeah. Right, this desk is so creepy. Oh, thanks, Jodie. I can... I'll have to work this one out. Rob hopes Santa will bring in white HDMI cables. Yeah, my cables are all over the place because I haven't tidied them up. I'll give it a go tomorrow. But we shall see. We shall see. Monitors everywhere equals creepy. Well, they're actually pretty... It's pretty practical. Call me weird, but it is practical with what I'm doing here. I can afford to drop one of the monitors, which is why Jodie's allowed to watch one. Hey, you remember this, guys? This is what I was working on. So, don't do that, Rob. That's stupid. Stupid, Rob. There we go. So that would be like a map. Right. So no hello for the Javas. The poll command works like poll question. Up to 30 options. Well, feel free to have a go at setting one up. But yeah, so where was moi? I was currently... if I load Tiny Galaxy now, it starts off with the wrong camera, but I'm in this world, right? And then I was doing the teleport. And of course, the problem is that the The rendering is wrong because the way I've set up the new level, sorry, the new file format. So, question is, Pole, Rob or Teasel? Let's try that. Okay, that doesn't seem to be working. Yeah, so the question I've got for you guys is, should I just should I work on camera or should I re-export this level? Because this is actually bust. I might actually re-export the level. I might do that. All right. Right. So, Alright, so question, should I just work on camera controller or load, save or re-export Tiny Galaxy? I'm gonna work on load, save actually. So, load and save. We need a players. Okay, so load and save. What are we going to save? Well, like Mario etc. games, never save until we go back to main menu. Sorry, back to main map. Makes life easy. Just needs to reload the level, which can change but you can't die in it, so it never needs to reload, and needs to save load how many stars etc. have been won. Okay, that's cool. So should load save the last galaxy we came from, perhaps. So X, Y, Z, orientation. Always get it to face south. All right. Ah. Right, thanks for the votes, guys. That makes me very happy. Right. Loading and saving. Does that actually gain me anything? Does that gain me anything right now? Do you know what? Actually, forget this. I'm going to look at the camera. I want to sort out the camera. I desperately want to sort out the camera. So, yeah, forget load and save. Alright, so I have actually got a very old change list. So I'm going to go and have a quick look and see what I can salvage from it. There, so we got... Right, what have we got? So the chunk renderer. Brilliant. I just... I don't know what I did there. Transform, transform. So it looks like I've turned off the view frustum culling for the chunk. That's a bit worrying. Why would I have done that? So it's working out the point. That's weird. Don't know. I have no idea what's going on there. Let's go and have a look at the chunk renderer component. That was obviously bust. Okay, look at camera. So we created a new camera type. If networking client, if it's connected, serialize actions. Interesting. What was that all about? Do post flatten update. Okay, that's an update on the camera. Yeah, we've got a camera component there. Serialize actions. Interesting. I wonder why I was trying to communicate back to the server. Well, and to deserialize. Because the actions manager is, I think, happens on the server side. There was something I was doing here. Well, I mean, some of this code is 200 commits old, so. Okay, so here's the look at camera component. So I think the camera was set up wrong, basically. We talked about this before, and I had it as part of the hierarchy, whereas actually we should change the camera type and set its target. Which I think is fine. We don't have to keep changing the component. Or maybe we do. Maybe we do. So there's a question. That's Oh, that's a shame. That's a nice one. I don't think I'm going to merge this change list back in. I just think I'm going to have to be... I think I'm going to be careful about it. Yeah, this actually turned into being something bigger than I was expecting. Do player actions callback? Why was this calling back into Lua? It's a weird one. There's a few interesting things here. Component types, calendar, temp player. I've already got those. Do post flatten update. Let's do a search for that. Brilliant. It does nothing. What a waste of time. So look at camera components. Let's go and have a look at our Lua already. Hello, Ultralord. I'd go for swapping the components. See, yeah. Tell me why you think swapping the components would be better. Perspective and ortho, then allow control via Lua. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. It's like, how different do I want them to be? Yeah, because I mean, like, a tracking camera, not that hard to set up in Lua. First person camera, you know, so the question was I going to have like a first person camera component as opposed to a tracking camera component? I have a feeling the answer is probably no. Hello, Tiger Zeus. You look tired. Well, I'm always tired. That's how cool I am. I'm also trying to get used to having the microphone right in my face. Right here in my face. So you've got a camera, and that's it at the moment. Lua or Lou. Oh, great. Look what you've unleashed on us. I still had to vote. That'll do. So we have an interesting thing here. See, one of the things I'm trying to do is, and having different components would kind of help this, is to, what am I trying to say? To allow different, to allow the C++ to run as much of it as automatic. They are weird. Yes, thank you. Is Lua static typed? No. So what I'm trying to think of is, like, if you have, most cameras don't need constant updating, right? So, well, let's have a look at this. So let's just think how we might have to change this. So type equals, or yeah, so that's right. On named entity. Yeah, sorry, that's right. This is the bit I've got wrong. So the camera at the moment is attached as the child. That's right. So what I was going to do... okay, so camera currently is attached in a hierarchy. So intention was to just have a top level camera entity and then say set it to FPS mode and point it at the entity that previously it would have been a child of. Woohoo! So let's have a look at that. So how would I do this? So basically we'd do that. So camera would be type equals, I don't know, camera types dot FPS and attached to equals so if that was the new style, what's going on here? So we just create the camera entity, set main camera. So really, that should be it. It should be, we should be able to leave it up. And then if you wanted to change it to some other setting, or we could even do a manual. Oh, manual. Oh, well, that's what it's going to be. It needs a parent, it needs a transform. I wonder what would happen if this was one of these crazy transforms. I don't know. Voronoi shader. I actually don't know how to pronounce it. I'm saying Voronoi, that's probably wrong. Alright. Where are we? This is diorama game resources, game modes, defaults, mods, spawn, main client. So let's go and have a look. Let's go and check out my game mode. Or actually, no. Let's just fix this. All right. You've got custom shaders in. Congrats. I don't know which engine of yours this one is, but you have a lot. And so what other alternatives could there be? Let's just tracking attached to, then would we set the offset here? Or do it in the transform? He's got 59 commits. He's doing serious stuff. You know, at some point you have to do something with your engine. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, so my goal is to get this to work. Which means it won't. Alright. Oh, I should check this. Right, something's not quite right here. Oh, I got to log on there. That's odd. That's better. I thought I did this last night to get update submodule, update chip files. Oh, Jodie, it's the phone. Would you get it for me, please?
What?
It's the phone. Would you get it for me? Thank you. It might be for me, that phone. That phone call. Any chance you could zoom in a bit? A bit hard to read the text. It depends. No, not really. I mean, I'm zoomed in as much as I can already, really.
Is it okay if my mother comes round for a cup of tea in half an hour?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, this text. Yeah, I'm not going to zoom that in. No, that's not that important anyway. But right. So, camera component. So we've got has main camera, set main camera. That's, oh, sorry, that's the camera system. Right. Yeah, set main camera. Do camera system, check that that's there. Applied frame of reference. Yeah, see, it's calling calc local matrix, and we kind of don't want that anymore. It needs to get the local matrix for whatever it's looking at. So this is all a bit kind of wrong. Let me think about this. What music am I listening to? Silent Hill 2 music now. Okay, so I don't really have a choice. I'm gonna sort. Sorry, I apologise, guys. I'm being a bit rubbish here. That's what I say. Right, this is... No, I lost it. That's the camera. Calc projection, set view matrix. Yeah, we don't want to do that. FOV degrees, near clips, far clip, aspect ratio. So... Do 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 do. Okay. Wrong. What did I just miss then? Sorry, Sanders. Sander3214. Thanks for following. Even though I'm going very slowly and quietly at the moment. I'm not really following the chat, and I sort of scan it and I see the words Auschwitz. And speaking English, guys. All right. Oh. Hang on, I'm being a prat. Hang on, I am being a big prat. That's not at all what I want. Why am I writing that? Idiotic. That's all I need to write. That's what I wanted to write. Mm-hmm. Why is that not compiling? What is its problem? Do you know what, guys? I feel shattered. Dearie me. I don't know why that wasn't working. Whatever. Do. Okay, well anyway, right, camera system, calc projection, radians, FOV aspect, near clip, far clip, set view matrix, right. Hello, wanted. Wanted. I'm doing a rubbish job here. Rubbish job. Set view matrix. So what is this view matrix that we pass in? Get projection, get view, debug, get position. Oh, that's probably because I needed to do all of this. That's for the frustum. Okay. Yeah, Tiger Zoos. I don't do that because then the else's tend to get lost, and it's inconsistent styling with the rest of it. I need to go and get another drink because I'm barely awake and it's only 5 in the afternoon. Oh. Right. It's interesting. I'm passing in the inverse, and then in set view matrix, I'm taking the inverse again. That's pretty stupid. Okay. So what do we want to do? What did we have? In applied frame of reference. So that didn't have to change anyway. Excellent. Wow. So just to reach over to stroke the teasel there. So assume camera is set up to track something. Okay. Auto attached to entity equals camera dot Pratt again. This is not much fun, is it? All right. So camera component. Yeah, fair enough. All right. Attached to entity, container get entity. Okie dokie. So we've got that. Flatten transforms between inclusive. Snappy name. So we pass in the entities. Parent entity. Let's try flatten transform room.
No, please.
Speak English or don't bother. You can do what you like.
There's off.
Who's off? Buy on pause. All right. So the child entity is the attached to entity frame of reference. So should probably also apply the camera's transform on top of this, but ignore it for now. So, is that the camera matrix? No, that's the inverse view. So what I'll do is set inverse mu inverse mu view mu inverse mu. Can't even say it.
This is a cat. Another cat. Cat. You are a cat. Look at this cat.
I know, she's a very cat.
Would you like to hold this pencil?
So we're actually going to retire this, but I'm not going to comment it out yet. I have very little hope that this is going to work.
Believe in yourself.
Alright, actually, this should be quite straightforward. There we go. Oh well. What are the chances of this working? Sod all.
3 out of 6.
So, this is awful. There's no way it's going to work. So the build machines are running a process that that is hooked into GitHub. So it waits for GitHub to raise certain events. In my case, merging, pushing to a branch, or merging from any branch into dev branch. Right, I'm still in release. That's silly.
Why are you playing creepy music?
Because I like it. This is Shadow of Memories.
Bye.
I'm using libraries for the network. Cheater. Yeah, cheers for that. There's no way I would do a network library myself. Well, that didn't work, did it? Camera types nil. Oh, yeah. I'm a prat. Do-do-digga-doo. Hang on a sec. Why am I doing this? Don't know. Scripts Lua drawing library. I tell you what, my heart's not in it at all today.
Take a break and have a cup of tea with my mother.
Do you know what? I might too, guys. I'm not giving either good value for money for you, to you or to the program. Well, we'll see if I get this camera stuff working. So what I'm going to do, what was going to kick off anyway from this, from doing the 3,000 follower stream, which has been a bit muted actually, but instead of doing it as like a long weekend, although I'll probably have a crack next weekend. Oh no, we've got a visitor, haven't we?
No.
When's Faye coming?
17th. Tomorrow's the 3rd.
Oh, okay. Well,
Third and fourth,
all
we're
right.
working again.
All right, fair enough. So what I will be doing, he says, trying to remember.
Dancing.
No, I will not be dancing. No, no,
Put on your
no
cat
dance.
shoes and dance the cat.
No dance.
Let's meow to the meows that's playing on the Mario.
Right, that doesn't help, does it?
You go, Betty.
I forgot what I was going to say.
Shall I make the cat fly?
What?
Look what I should
Um,
No, sit. Stay there, stay there. Whoa, stay there.
she's completely thrown me. I genuinely can't. What? We have a flying cat. She doesn't like it.
Oh, oh. There's a camera up there. Oh, oh. There's your papa.
There's a Teasel.
Oh,
And Teasel's gone. Teasel has landed.
that's not so much.
You're a silly person. Through and through.
You're a person, Teasel.
And it's a floating Teasel. It sure is. It's magic. Magic. Do 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 do. Dooby doob doo. Teasel, they liked it when you flew. Floop, floopy cat. Right, this is what I was trying to do and doing a bad job of. Alright, great. Smashing super.
Teasel smashing super, aren't you, boo? You're smashing super.
Black Hawk down. No, she survived. She's alright. What are you going to do now?
Well, my mum's over in a minute.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering because then I can put the picture on the cat.
Oh, yeah, in a minute. We'll
Yeah.
be here.
Soon the camera can be on the cat and I won't suffer performance anxiety. Teasel cat, Teasel cat, Teasel cat.
She does teasely things. Don't you, darling? Look at how she's sitting. You sit funny.
Let me go into Lua and check if I did that in capitals. Yeah, I did. You are a pussy cat.
Teasel, you're walking on the keyboard again.
You're walking on keyboard, Teasel.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it terrible being you? No, it's lovely, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm walking on Teasel. Whoa. I'm teasling on Teasel. Whoa. Oh, it's a bit further out to reach for this now. I'm teasing on Pussycat. Yeah, you can't deal with change, can you, Cat? You're a stick in the mud.
You're a stickly bug.
Oh, Germ Games TV just subscribed to Teasel, not to me.
Teasel's the best. That's why I'm the best Teasel.
Teasel appeared and then the subscription happened. So it's Teasel camera time.
I think meow.
That's the reward people get is Teasel. Whoa, crazy cat. Whoa. Whoa. That was the Gilmore Girls I was showing. Oh, Teasel.
Crazy ex-girlfriend.
Oh, well, whatever. Teasel. No, Teasel. Get Teasel to look this way. Teasel. See, I'm just trying to get the one nice shot. Germ Games, this cat loves you right now. Don't you, Teasel? Don't you? Oh, and that one as well. I don't know what she does. Teasel. What do you have to say about that?
She is not impressed.
She's not impressed, is she?
Oh,
Right.
you're so beautiful.
I think in Teasel's world, she's thinking, how many dreamers does that get me? And she can't do the maths because she's only a cat.
She's only got 3 paws, so
Yeah, she can only count up to 8,
12.
7. Well, base
You
base
can't
2.
count.
1, 2, 4, 8. She can count up to 7 in binary. She's a clever cat. All right.
What?
She can count up to 7 on 3 paws.
How?
Binary.
Where?
Look, I can't believe I'm having to do this. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
That's not
7.
how cat paws work. She's got 4 front paws.
She's got 4 front paws. She's very, very poor. She's got paws and I'm ignoring you. She's got paws. Paws, paws,
Why
paws.
does he think you were a kind of binary system?
Paws, 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 paws. She's got
Octal
paws.
system.
She's got paws and she's got paws. You don't have paws, but she has paws. Do you see how the lyrics there? It's a searing
Why
insight
not an
into...
octal system,
She's
Robert?
a paw. She's got some paws. She also has a tail, but that's another song. A do do do.
Does your father not understand anything to you?
What?
Ah, see, she's loving me. Oh, and sneezing on me.
She sneezes and she's got a tail. Oh my god, these lyrics are getting... but they don't fit into this song. Doobie doob doo. Hello, Tutus Master. All right.
Oh, yep, you're walking on the keyboard again.
I'm walking on. See, there's a cat song for every occasion. Admittedly, we do just repeat them. I'm walking on Teasel. Yeah. She's being a Teasel. Get off. Oh, she's she's eyeing up the typing. Invalid type conversion.
Was that Teasel?
No, no, she doesn't. It's been a couple of weeks since I got it. Why is my static assertion failing?
It's wrong.
I'm being a Teasel. Whoa, I'm being a Teasel. Whoa.
And don't feel meow. Do.
No, it doesn't. Oh, it failed. It failed. Why is that not 3? Well, that looks weird. 0, 1, 2. Oh, +1. Ha, ha, ha. Prat. Do-do-do-do. 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 Oh, look, this is just terrible. I am doing rubbish today. Just rubbish. Oh, that's still looking at my crotch. We'll move that. All right. Do da do do, do da do do, do 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 do. Right, this is camera types. The 3 hardest problems in Jody. There's a programmer joke and it made me smile. The 3 hardest problems in programming are naming things and off by 1 errors. She's scratching her head. She's not getting it. She's not getting it.
3.
Are off by 1 errors.
Oh.
There you go. Thanks, Ward Dove 16. You made my girlfriend make a noise that sounded like, I don't know,
Oh.
that her favourite football team just lost. Or that she finds out she's actually got a favourite football team. That would be equally
Millwall.
horrific. It's not Millwall.
Millwall.
Hello, Lord Cool Cat.
I really love Millwall.
Stop now. Stop talking about it. Right.
Christmas, but you're Millwall.
What am I doing here? Why is this not compiling? Why am I not thinking straight today? Why, genuinely, why am I not thinking straight? Conversion losers qualifiers. I don't care. I just don't care. Can I convert argument 3 from char star 3 to const char star star? Well, I mean, it's supposed to. That's the whole point. Who else is using this? Germ Games just gave me a donation. I would show the cat, but she's licking her bum at the moment. So,
What she thinks of your code.
yeah. So once she's not licking aforementioned emission hole, then
Bum. She's washing
it was.
washing the inside of her leg. At least one of the two of the people.
I can't do this. Write enum values. Inst const char star. Can I convert 3 from char star star to const char star star? Well, of course it can. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Do 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 do. What have I got? That was it. That doesn't even make sense. Emission hole. Yeah, I was under pressure. I had to come up with a word. It was a rubbish word. Right, what was I doing? I was loading the void. And that still didn't work. Attempt to index field camera types. But the camera type should always be being pushed.
Right, that's me, bye.
Okay, and Jodie's... Oh, it's because I'm adding it to the front end. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, dear. Actually, we want to do it here. So Jodie's parents are around. So quick, everyone, put your clothes back on. All right, let's have a look at that. Oh, Teasel's off. She's gone to see her old owners, no doubt. Sheesh. Right. Yes, finally. Okay, do camera system. Right, guys. That was pathetic. I am not on form today. So on the plus side, the attached to entity is correct. The inverse view is... Oh, and Teasel's just meowed. So I'm actually just going to leave this to run. Oh, retry, break. Client render world. Calculate main frame of reference. I think that doesn't work. Yes, no, it's all right. It's all right. You look shocked. She looks shocked. So that was Jodie's mother. Naked programming is best programming. Yes, Twitch doesn't agree there. I used to use OpenOffice until I actually tried to do something useful with it. Right. So why did this not work? What was the assert? Render world. Frame of reference. System. So let's see what this was doing. Has temp room component. It's the main camera component get entity. And then we're stepping up. Whoa, this is rubbish. This is drivel. So what we need to do here is actually get the entity that it's pointing to. So how do we do this? Okay, right. Doobie 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 doob. Doo doo. Doo doo. Doo doo. Right, that might actually work. What have I missed? What have I missed? No, it wasn't that. I wanted to use OpenOffice actually, and for basic stuff it's fine. Okay. However, the rest of the business world doesn't use OpenOffice. So I basically like trying to convert files from OpenOffice to Microsoft Excel or Word and backwards and forwards. I couldn't exist outside of the Microsoft ecosystem. It just didn't work. So I think that is working, by the way. Yeah, okay, cool. So we've got our camera outside, and now we can attach it to anything. So that's kind of funny because what I might try and do, would I do that? I'm going to create a brand new world. Yeah, so the way I would deal with open source software and things like that is I support it, but I can't support it at the expense of me actually being able to do my job at work or at home. That's the problem. You know, like there are sacrifices I would make for certain ideals, but not being able to read or not being able to act professional. Like the big problem was if I created an OpenOffice document, saved it in OpenOffice into Word format and sent that to someone, which you have to do sometimes, I looked unprofessional because it came out looking rubbish. And I can't afford that. So I'm going to create a new world, a whole new world. Wibble. And I'm going to create a motor entity. Yeah, the chunk boundaries when tiling are back. Yes, that's something I need to fix. So that's my chunk entity. So I'm going to save, put a breakpoint on it, and then how do I want to do this? Oh no, it's not that simple. Damn it. Watch what I do, fellow people of the universe. I'm going to do a quick bodge here, and this is going to be pretty silly. Default fonts, front end models, mods, blocks. So, how does this work? Oh no! I need to send a message to the. Damn it. It's not that easy at all. What I was going to do was I was going to change the players. No, I'm not going to do that. I was going to change the player to use the entity to attach to the other entity. So the camera might have spun around and rotated. But actually, I'm not going to do that. There's easier ways of me testing my work, which is a shame. Yeah, I mean, OpenOffice might have improved. I mean, I switched off it about 8 years ago, I think. Gosh, yeah, it must be that long. Anyway, right, so we've got that working. So the next thing is, can I do an offset camera? And the answer is I don't know really. So I need to get the position. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So what I will do is, if the other is a look at, okay. Seeing as that actually worked, I'm starting to pick up. So that's what we're going to look at, is the attached to. And I'll just hack some offset. But the look at should mean that we can actually... Sorry, I need to look again. I'm guys, do you know what? I'm actually going to wrap this up. I'm going to go and either have a doze or I'm going to go and chat to Jodie's parents. I apologise. I'm not on form today. But I'm going to think about this camera stuff while I'm away, because obviously this camera stuff is the next most interesting thing. That's what will make the map screen the map. So I apologise for the short stream, but I'll probably be back in an hour to 2 hours or whatever it is. So I'm just being rubbish today. Sorry guys for the abrupt thing. I need to be faster and more efficient, and I'm not. And Teasel's back now. So before we go, no, I'll be back later today. Alex Craven, thanks for following. So before we go, let's have a look at Teasel. Teasel, they love you. All right, guys. The best I can give is Teasel. So I will see you later. And Grandpa touched me again. Right, yes. Yeah, sorry, Zenris. I'm going to be back later today. I just can't do it. I'm just not thinking straight. Something has to change. Maybe I need to eat or something. Let's go and see who I can host. Wheeze is up, so I'll go and host Wheeze. All right, bye bye guys. Say bye, Teasel. Teasel, say bye. Say bye.